Okay, we'll begin with the last topic of unit 1, operations on graph. This is very simple topic, union, different operations on graph. ग्राफ पे कौन कौन से ऑपरेशंस कर सकते हैं, जैसे मैथमेटिक्स में we have plus, minus, divide, multiply. Similarly on the graph we have these three different operations which we can perform: union of graph, intersection of graph, ring sum of two graphs. So let's begin with the first one, that is the union of two graphs. This is first graph, that is G1, where V1 and E1 are the set of vertices and the set of the edges. This is the G2 graph, which is a set of vertices V2 and E2. When we say union of these two graphs, we will get this graph. मतलब पहले वाला ग्राफ और सेकंड वाले ग्राफ को ज्वाइन करके थर्ड वाला ग्राफ है. Okay, now you see that these three vertices are preserved over here, and this loop is still preserved in the union. This edge is preserved over here, and this edge is also preserved over here. Okay, so that means this edge and this edge is having same name. Okay, let's number it. Say for example, we have this vertex as V, this is V vertex, this is also say V vertex. We call it as V1, V1, this is V2, this is V3, this is V, this is V, this is V2, let's name it as V1, V1, and this is V3, this is V4, and this is V5. So when we say union of these two, this V2 is preserved, this is V1, so that means getting the union of these two, and this is V3 and this is V4. So now are you getting V3, V3, loop on V3, loop on V3 vertex, V2 vertex, V2 vertex, edge between V2 and V3, edge between V2 and V3, V2, V1 edge, V2, V1 edge. Now V1, V3, V1, V5, V1, V5. Here you have at the end V5. So I'll just write V5 over here. Okay, and then V1 to V4, V1 to V4. So this joining of these two, graph 1 and graph 2 together, that is the concept of union. So here what we are doing, we are preserving all edges of first graph, all edges of second graph, all vertex of first graph, all vertex of second graph are being preserved over here. So this is our union. So G1, that is a graph G1 with a set of all vertices and edges, G2 graph with set of all vertices and edges are the two graphs. Then their union G3 is equal to G1 union G2 is also a graph whose vertex set is V3 is equal to V1 union V2. That means this is the entire graph which is having the set of vertices of all first graph and the second graph, and the edge set is E3 equal to E1 union E2. So all the edges of this graph, all the edges of this graph is being preserved over here. So this is the concept of union, that is first operation of the graph. Now if we union these two graphs, see here you have, I'll just number this, I'll just number as 1 2 3 now. I'll call this as 1 2 vertex. You can give any name to the vertex. 3 vertex, this is vertex number 4, this is vertex number 5, this is vertex number 6. Similarly, this is 1 vertex, 2 3 4, this is 5, and this is 6. If you join these two, that is combine these two, so what will happen, you overlap this with this, इसको इसके ऊपर ओवरलैप कर दोगे तो दोनों का कंबाइन जो ग्राफ आएगा, दैट इज अ यूनियन ऑफ दीज टू ग्राफ. सो दिस इज एन असाइनमेंट. इसको पूरा का पूरा इसके ऊपर रखोगे, मतलब देर इज दिस एज एज वेल एज एज फ्रॉम 1 to 3 and 1 to 5. So I'll just draw this again. So after this you will get as 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 2 to 6 and 2 to 4 and 5 to 3. So this is our graph, which is a union graph. Okay, next one is intersection. Intersection means common elements. So let's say this is the first graph, this is the second graph. If you intersect these two graphs, what are the common things which we are having? We'll copy that. Okay, so I'll number it as V3, vertex V3, and this is vertex V1. So now what is common in these two is, this is V2, this is V1, this is V3. So both the graph, the first graph and the second graph are having V1, V2, V3 vertex, V1, V2, V3. So common vertex are written in the intersected graph, V1, V2, V3. Now the edge, look at this edge, this V2, V3 edge, V2, V3 edge is there, so it is being common here. V2, V1 edge, V2, V1 edge कॉमन है, निकाल लिया. लूप कॉमन है, ये लूप कॉमन है, दोनों में निकाल लिया. बट दिस एज V1 to V3 is missing in this, so it is not been copied. That is intersection. Intersection means common in both the graphs, the vertex and the edges. The two graphs, then their intersection, that is G3 is equal to G1 intersection G2 is also a graph whose vertex set is equal to V3 equal to V1 intersection V2 and edge is E3 is equal to E1 intersection E2. That is common edges are being copied and the common vertex are being copied. Then the third last operation on a graph is the ring sum of the two graphs. दो ग्राफ का ring sum करना है. G1 V1 E1 and G2 V2 E2. These are the two graphs. एक पहला graph, second graph. Now other two graphs, their ring sum, that is G3 is equal to G1 XOR, this is the symbol of ring sum, XOR G2 is also a graph whose vertex set is V3 equal to V1 union V2 and the edges that are either in G1 and G2 but not in both. या तो इसमें है या तो इसमें है, पर दोनों में जो कॉमन है वो नहीं लेना है. जैसे अब देखो ये वाली जो लाइन है, ये वाली लाइन कॉमन दिख रही है, ये वाली लाइन और ये वाली लाइन कॉमन दिख रही है, तो इसको एलिमिनेट कर दिया है. तो आई जस्ट नंबर दीज वर्टेक्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई सिंपली राइट 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. This is vertex number 4 over here, this is vertex number 2 over here and this is vertex number 3 over here. Okay, now we have V1 1 to 2 edge which is available only in this, so 1 to 2 edge is preserved over here. Okay, 1 to 4 is only available in the first one. 4 to 3, so 4 to 3 is common. Now 2 to 3 there are two edges. One is the direct line and another is this parallel edge. So we are preserving this parallel edge over here and not considering this. Okay, so this is our ring sum, that is edge that are either in G1 or in G2, not in both. दोनों में नहीं है. Actually by rule this edge should also not be there, because even if I consider a straight line or a rounded line, this edge should not be there. So I'll just remove this edge also in the output. I'll say this edge is also not there, this particular edge. This cannot be removed, so I'll just remove this edge. This is not there, this edge. So we have only 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, then we have 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Okay, only 3 edges, 1 2 3, and this is common, this is common, this is removed, this is common, this is removed, and this 2 to 3 and 2 to 3 is common. यहाँ स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाई है, यहाँ राउंडेड लाइन बनाई है, बट ये 2 to 3 है, 2 to 3 है, तो इसको ले यहाँ पर हमने इसको रिमूव कर दिया, ये वाले एज को. सो रिंग सम इज दैट ऑल द वर्टाइसेस आर प्रिजर्व. 1 2 3 4 चारों वर्टेक्स दिख रहे हैं, 1 2 3 4, बट एजेस जो पहले वाले में है और दूसरे वाले में नहीं है, वो एज जो एजेस इसमें है और इसमें नहीं है, वो वाले एजेस. सो दिस इज आर आउटपुट फॉर द रिंग सम ऑफ टू वर्टाइसेस, एंड दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय दिस. This is an XOR symbol. This is an XOR symbol. If you know the table for the truth table for the XOR symbol, you will be able to know that how it works. Okay. Now the decomposition of the graph. A graph G is said to have been decomposed into two subgraphs G and H if G union H equal to G and G intersection H is equal to A. That is a null graph. That is, each graph of G occurs either in G or in H, but not in both. But some vertices may occur in both, but some vertices are not considered. So decomposition of graph मतलब एक ग्राफ दिया हुआ है, इसको हमको तोड़ना है, डिवाइड करना है. Okay, so if we divide the graph in, if we divide this graph, we will get the if we divide this graph, we will get the decomposition of the graph. मतलब आप ये वाली लाइन प्रिजर्व करो, ये वाली लाइन प्रिजर्व करो, एक ट्राइंगल बना लो, और अदरवाइज यू मेक दिस ट्राइंगल, या फिर आप ये क्वाड्रिलेटर ले लो. सो आइदर इट इज़ द यूनियन ऑफ G यूनियन H इज फॉर्मिंग द एंटायर G, और इंटरसेक्शन किया तो कुछ भी चीज़ कॉमन नहीं आएगी. दैट इज व्हाट इज द decomposition of the graph.